Hello, doers, and welcome back. My name is Jose Ignacio. Today, we're going to explore how to create AI powered fields in Odoo and how to use them to generate content for data. With just a well written prompt, we can generate useful, consistent text directly inside of our records. By the end of this tutorial, you're going to learn how to create an AI field and use it in your day to day workflow. Let's start by opening up our sales application right here and then navigating to products and products up at the top. I want to use AI to generate descriptions for our products directly on the product form. So let's create a new field for that. I'm going to open up our acoustic block screens. Then I'm going to select the studio button in the top right corner. Great. Now we can start customizing the form. So then once that studio is open, we're ready to add our AI field. I'm actually going to drag it over from the left-hand side. Make sure it goes into the box right below that little track inventory section. So I want this one for the field type to be multi-line text. And then we need our prompt. So we're going to enter the following prompt. It's going to be a pretty short one. Get it? So write a short product description based on the product name. Okay, so that tells the AI what we want it to do, but now we need to make sure that it knows where to look for that information. Since we typed in product name over here, it's going to be taking that literally and generate a description for product name because it's static text. But what we really want to do is to generate a description for the product on the current form. Instead of relying on static text, we need to give the AI the actual product name from the record. So to do that, we can add a dynamic placeholder that gets replaced by the value from a specific field on the form. So we're actually going to click into this prompt area right now. We're going to highlight name and we're going to do a nice little forward slash. And then we're going to select field selector. Perfect. Now we've got this drop down. So we're going to search for the word name right there. Perfect. And then we're going to click it and then hit insert. Great. Now we can add a little period there if we want to. So this ensures the AI uses the actual name on the product record when generating the description right there. So now that you see this, we also happen to have our product name with the word name in blue. This looks great, so we're going to select add field. Now before we test it, let's rename the field. So we want to basically update the label over here on the left. I think it should say something like product description. All right, now that we're good with that, everything looks good to go. We're going to hit close. So now let's see the field in action. We can actually see our nice new shiny product description field over here, and we know it's an AI enabled field because of our nice little AI icon right there. And as you can see, the field is blank right now. But let's see what AI comes up with for this product, shall we? So let's click it, give it some time to think, and oh wow, that was fast. Boom, look at that. Nice and succinct, exactly what I was looking for. And just in case that we want to make a few changes, this field, as you could tell, is still editable. Isn't that nice? We could change something like the word. Maybe we don't like modern. We like controversial, like your host. I'm just kidding. I think I like this one even more. And that's it. We've just created and used an AI field in Odoo. With this approach, you can start automating all kinds of repetitive writing tasks, whether it's descriptions, notes, or internal documentation. That's it for today. See you next time, Odooers. Go grab a snack.